So the main topic for today is equation of a tangent plane. Equation of a tangent plane. Okay. So in this, the first important question is, if any tangent plane to the sphere x square plus y square plus z square is equal to r square makes intercepts A, B and C on the coordinate axis, then prove that 1 by A square plus 1 by B square plus 1 by C square equals 1 by R square. This is the most important question. So first let's write down what is given to us. Given equation of sphere is x square plus y square plus z square equals R square. This is equation number 1. Now here you can see there is no x term, y term or z term. That's why we can say that center is 0, 0, 0. Now we need to use the equation of tangent formula. So what is equation of tangent to equation number 1? At some point alpha, beta, gamma. The formula is alpha plus 0 into x plus beta plus 0 into y plus gamma plus 0 into z plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 minus r square. Here I am applying tangent formula, equation of tangent. Now, after this, so we get alpha x plus beta y plus gamma z minus r square equals 0. So if I take r square to the other side, we get alpha x plus beta y plus gamma z equals r square. Now since A, B, C are the intercepts made by coordinate axis, respectively, to equation number 2. Let's say this is equation number 2. So we get A alpha plus 0 equals r square. So you get A alpha is r square and alpha is r square by A. Also you get 0 plus B beta plus 0 equals r square. So we get B beta is r square and so beta is r square by B. And again, the same way we are substituting C. So 0 plus C gamma equals r square. So we get gamma equals r square by C. And alpha, beta, gamma is a point on equation number 1. So you get alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square equals r square. Now in the place of alpha, I substitute r square by A whole square. In the place of beta, I substitute r square by B whole square plus r square by C whole square equals to r square. So if I open the brackets, you get r power 4 by A square plus r power 4 by B square plus r power 4 by C square equals r power r square. Now we take r power 4 common from the LHS. So we get r power 4 into 1 by A square plus 1 by B square plus 1 by C square equals to r square. So we can cancel r square and r square get cancelled. So we get 1 by a square plus 1 by b square plus 1 by c square equals 1 by r square. So take the next question. Find the equation of the tangent. Find the equation of the tangent planes to the sphere x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x minus 4y plus 6z minus 7 is equal to 0, which intersects the line 6x minus 3y minus 23 is equal to 0, and that is equal to 3z plus 2. So let's begin. Given equation of sphere is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x minus 4y plus 6z minus 7 is equal to 0. Now comparing equation number 1. Let's say this is equation number 1 and we are comparing this equation with x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0. So if we are comparing, we get 2u is equal to 2, 2v is equal to minus 4, 2w is equal to 6 and d is equal to minus 7. So 2 cancel, 2 ones are 2 twos are, 2 ones are 2 threes are. So we get u is equal to 1, v is equal to minus 2, w is equal to 3 and d is equal to minus 7. Now we get the center as minus 1, 2, minus 3. And what is the radius? Radius r is equal to root over u square plus v square plus w square minus d. R is equal to root over 1 square plus minus 2 whole square plus 3 square plus 7. So r is equal to root 21. Now after finding center and radius, we will write down what is the line equation. So there are two line equations given in the question. They are 6x minus 3y minus 23 is equal to 0. This is equation number 2 and 3z plus 2 is equal to 0. This is equation number 3. Now what is equation of plane through the intersection of lines? Through the intersection of lines 2 and 3. So we write the first line plus lambda into second line. So if you open the brackets, you get 6x minus 3y minus 23 plus 3 lambda z plus 2 lambda equals to 0. So 6x minus 3y plus 3 lambda into z plus 2 lambda minus 23 equals 0. So let's say this is equation number 4. Now since equation number 4 touches equation number 1, so what is the condition that a line touches a sphere? Its perpendicular distance is equal to the radius. So when does one equation touches the other equation? If perpendicular distance from center minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 on equation number 4 is equal to radius. So that is, now we apply perpendicular distance formula, that is ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d by root a square plus b square plus c square. This is the formula for perpendicular distance. Now we see how we apply them. So 6 into minus 1 minus 3 into 2 plus 3 lambda into minus 3 plus 2 lambda minus 23 by root over 6 square plus minus 3 square plus 3 lambda square equals root 21. So we get minus 6 minus 9 lambda plus 2 lambda minus 23 by root over 36 plus 9 plus 9 lambda square equals root 21. So let's simplify after this. So we get minus of 35 minus 7 lambda by root over 45 plus 9 lambda square equals root 21. So you get modulus of, if you open the brackets, minus 35 plus 7 lambda by root over 45 plus 9 lambda square, which is equal to root 21. Now squaring on both sides to get rid of square roots. So that is 35 plus 7 lambda whole square equals 21 into 45 plus 9 lambda square. So you get 1225 plus 49 lambda square plus 490 lambda equals 945 plus 189 lambda square. So if you further simplify, you will get 140 lambda square minus 490 lambda minus 280 equals to 0. So if we take like 70 common, so you get 2 lambda square minus 7 lambda minus 4 equals to 0. So you get 2 lambda square minus 7 lambda, we can write it as minus 8 lambda plus lambda minus 4. If you take 2 lambda common, you get lambda minus 4. And if you take 1 common, you get lambda minus 4. So lambda minus 4 into 2 lambda plus 1 is equal to 0. So lambda value is minus 1 by 2 and 4. Now we substitute values of lambda in equation number 4. So let's see how to substitute values of lambda in equation number 4. Now over here we have got two values for lambda. So we will do one after the other. So for lambda is equal to 4. 6x minus 3y plus 3 into 4z plus 2 into 4 minus 23 equals 0. So you get 6x minus 3y plus 12z minus 15 is equal to 0. If I take 3 common, we get 2x minus y plus 4z minus 5 is equal to 0. So this is the equation when lambda is equal to 4. Okay, now let us see when lambda is equal to minus 1 by 2, how we will get the equation, final equation. So 6x minus 3y plus 3 into minus 1 by 2 into z plus 2 into minus 1 by 2 minus 23 is equal to 0. So you get 6x minus 3y minus 3 by 2z. Here 2 get cancelled, you get minus 24 is 0. Now if I take 3 common, we get 2x minus y minus z by 2 minus 8 is 0. So if I take LCM, so we get 4x minus 2y minus z minus 16 is equal to 0. Therefore, what are the required tangent planes? Both the equations we will write together. Those are 2x minus y plus 4z minus 5 is equal to 0 and 4x minus 2y minus z minus 16 is equal to 0. These are the final tangent planes which are required. Now take the next question. This question is very, very important. Show that the spheres x square plus y square plus z square equals 25, and x square plus y square plus z square minus 24x minus 40y minus 18z plus 225 is equal to 0. Touch externally. And find the point of contact. Very, very, very important question. Don't forget to practice this. So first let us see what are the given spheres. So let's write given equation of spheres is the first sphere we take it as S1. So that is x square plus y square plus z square minus 25 equals to 0 I write. So from the first circle equation, I took 25 to the left hand side. And the second sphere is S2, that is x square plus y square plus z square minus 24x minus 40y minus 18z plus 225 is equal to 0. Now when we compare these equations with the general equation, so what are the equations? Equation number 1 and 2 with the general equation. What is the general equation? X square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0. So you get d1 is equal to minus 25 and d2 is equal to 225. And the centers are the first, in the first equation, you can see there is no x term, y term or z term. So center is 0, 0, 0. And the second center is 12, 20 and 9. Okay, so the center formula is minus u comma minus v comma minus w, and so we got the center as 12, 20 and 9. Now after finding the center, we will find out the radius. So what is the radius? Radius is root over u square plus v square plus w square minus d. So that is plus 25. So R1 is equal to 5. The same way we find it for second sphere, that is 12 square plus 20 square plus 9 square minus 225. So that comes around to be 400. So that is 20. R2 is 20. Now we find C1, C2. C1, C2 is distance between the two centers. So what is distance formula? X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. So that is root over 12 minus 0 whole square plus 20 minus 0 whole square plus 9 minus 0 whole square. So that is root over 12 square is 144, 20 square is 400, 9 square is 81. So if you add it up, you get 625 and root 625 is 25. So we got C1, C2 as 25. And if you add R1 plus R2, that is also 5 plus 20, that is 25. So whenever C1, C2 is equal to R1 plus R2, we can say that two spheres touch externally. So we got to know that spheres touch each other externally, right? So where they are touching, there is a point of contact lie, right? So where they touch, let alpha, beta, gamma be the point of contact. So the tangent plane to the given sphere at alpha, beta, gamma is given by alpha plus u into x plus beta plus v into y plus gamma plus W into Z plus U alpha plus V beta plus W gamma plus D equals to 0. This is the tangent plane to the given sphere formula. So what is the tangent plane to the first equation? At alpha, beta, gamma is alpha plus 0 into x plus beta plus 0 into y plus gamma plus 0 into z plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 minus 25 is equal to 0. So finally we get alpha x plus beta y plus gamma z minus 25 is equal to 0. This is equation number 3. So let's take the first two sphere equations as 1 and 2. So this will be the third equation. Got it. And now we need to find out tangent plane to the second equation. Tangent plane to equation number 2 at alpha, beta, gamma is alpha minus 12 into x plus beta minus 20 into y plus gamma minus 9 into z plus minus 12 alpha plus 20 beta minus 9 gamma plus 225 is equal to 0. Let's say this is equation number 4. Now we need to compare equation number 3 and 4. So if you compare equation number 3 and 4, what do you get? Alpha minus 12 by alpha is equal to beta minus 20 by beta is equal to gamma minus 9 by gamma equals to minus 12 alpha minus 20 beta minus 9 gamma plus 225 by minus 25 equals to k. Then alpha minus 12 by alpha is equal to k. So alpha minus 12 is alpha k and alpha minus alpha k is 12. If I take alpha common, 1 minus k equals to 12. So alpha is 12 by 1 minus k. Let's say this is equation number 5. The same way, beta minus 20 by beta equals to k. So beta minus 20 is equal to beta k and beta minus beta k equals to 20. If I take beta common, 1 minus k equals to 20. And so beta is 20 by 1 minus k. Let's say this is equation number 6. And the same way we will find out gamma value. Gamma minus 9 by gamma is k. So gamma minus 9 is gamma k. Gamma minus gamma k is 9. And if I take gamma common, 1 minus k is equal to 9. So gamma is 9 by 1 minus k. Now we equate this part. This fourth term we equate to k. Okay, so you get minus 12 alpha minus 20 beta minus 9 gamma plus 225 equals to minus 25k. Now substituting, so let's say this is equation number 8. This is equation number 7. So substituting equations 5, 6, 7 in equation number 8. So we get minus 12 into 12 by 1 minus k minus 20 into 20 by 1 minus k minus 9 into 9 by 1 minus k plus 225 equals to minus 25k. So 1 by 1 minus k, if I take common, we get minus 144. See, this into this, we multiply this into this, then this into this. Understood? Minus 400 minus 81 plus 225 into, here you don't have a denominator. So we multiply with 1 minus k. So it will be balanced. Now minus 400 minus 225k is equal to minus 25k into 1 minus k. We are cross multiplying. So you get minus 400 minus 225k equals minus 25k plus 25k square. Here I multiplied this into this into this. Now how to simplify it further? Bring all terms one side. So you will get 25k square minus 25k plus 400 plus 225k equals to 0. So you get 25k square plus 200k plus 400 equals to 0. So k square plus 8k plus 16 is equal to 0. So this is k plus 1, k plus 4 whole square. So you get k plus 4 is equal to 0 and k is minus 4. Now substituting k is equal to minus 4 in three equations, that is 5, 6 and 7. So you will get alpha, beta, gamma values. So alpha is 12 by 1 minus of minus 4, that is 12 by 5. And beta is 20 by 1 minus of minus 4, that is 20 by 5. And gamma is 9 by 1 minus of minus 4, that is 9 by 5. So what is the point of contact we got? So point of contact is 12 by 5, 20 by 5 and 9 by 5. This is what we had to find out.